Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, in previous video, we have already learned to divide whole number by a decimal number and a decimal number by a decimal number. Today we will learn division word problems on decimals. So, let us start. Question 1. A 475.67 meter long ribbon is divided into 100 equal parts. What is the length of each part? So student, what is given in this question? Here we have given the length of ribbon, which is 475.67 meter, and this ribbon is divided into 100 equal parts, and we have to find out the length of each part. Student, suppose this is the ribbon और इसकी लेंथ 475.67 मीटर है. इसी रिबन के 100 but equal means here we have to find the length of one part. Let's start the solution. Length of ribbon is equal to 475.67 meter. Number of equal parts is equal to 100. Therefore, the length of each part is equal to 475.67 divided by 100. Students, यहाँ पर हम इसे डिवाइड करेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें टोटल लेंथ दी हुई है which is 475.67 और हमें वन पार्ट का लेंथ फाइंड करना है. तो आपको पता है अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल जब हमें मोर का दिया हो और लेस का फाइंड करना हो तो हम डिवाइड करते हैं. So let's divide, and here we have to divide the given number by 100, and you know the rule, when we have to divide a given decimal number by 100 we shift the decimal point from right towards left. So यहाँ पे 100 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो decimal point 2 डिजिट मूव करेगा. तो decimal point कहाँ आ जाएगा? 1 2 7 के आगे आ जाएगा. So the answer is 4.7567 meter. Thus, the length of each part is 4.7567 meter. Now, let us see the second example. Question 2. Minnie bought 912 ribbons, each measuring 0.8 meter in length. What is the length of all the ribbons? So, students, what is given in this question? Here, we have given total number of ribbons bought by Minnie, which is 912, and we have given length of each ribbon, that is 0.8 meter, और हमें find क्या करना है? Length of all the ribbons. So let's write the solution. Number of ribbons is equal to 912, and second statement, length of each ribbon is equal to 0.8 meter. Therefore, the length of all the ribbons is equal to 912 divided by 0.8. Students, here we have to divide whole number by decimal number. So, as I told you in previous video कि जब हमें whole number को decimal number से divide करना है तो सबसे पहले हम divisor को whole number में convert करते हैं. So, for that we write 912 upon 0.8. We will multiply it by 10 because here in divisor we have one decimal place. If we multiply by 10, so decimal point will shift one digit from left towards right. तो ये whole number में convert हो जाएगा. So, let us multiply 912 multiplied by 10, we get 9120. And if we multiply 0.8 by 10, we get 8. Students, now it is easy to divide. So let's divide. So 9120 divided by 8. Here divisor is one digit. So we start with one digit. And here 9 is greater than 8. So 8 goes into 9 one time. So we write 8. 9 minus 8, we get 1. Here 1 is remainder. Now we will bring down next digit, which is 1. Now 8 goes into 11. How many times? Again 1 times, क्योंकि 2 times में ये 11 से big हो जाएगा. So 8 ones are 8. 11 minus 8, we get 3. And here 3 is remainder. Now we bring down next digit, which is 2. And 8 goes into 32. How many times? Correct, 4 times. 4 8s are 32. Now 32 minus 32, we get 0. Now bring down the last digit, which is 0. And 8 zeros are 0. Thus, the length of all the ribbons are 1140 meter. Now let us take one more example. Question 3rd. The cost of 5.5 kg tomatoes is rupees 85.25. Find the cost of tomatoes per kg. Student, here we have given cost of 5.5 kg tomatoes. That is rupees 85.25. And we have to find the cost of 1 kg tomato. So let's write the solution. Cost of 5.5 kg tomatoes is equal to rupees 85.25. Therefore, the cost of 1 kg tomatoes 85.25 divided by 5.5. Students, here you can see हमें 5.5 kg की कॉस्ट दी हुई और 1 का फाइंड करना है, तो इसीलिए हम क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड करेंगे. बट हियर डिविडेंड एंड डिवाइजर बोथ आर डेसिमल नंबर्स. तो पहले हम डिवाइजर का डेसिमल पॉइंट रिमूव करेंगे. तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? तो उसके लिए हमें 85.25 एंड 5.5 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. Why? Because in divisor we have one decimal place. तो अगर हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो डेसिमल पॉइंट राइट साइड में शिफ्ट हो जाएगा 1 डिजिट, तो डेसिमल पॉइंट हट जाएगा. सो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई 85.25 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10. तो डेसिमल पॉइंट लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, क्योंकि मल्टीप्लाई में डेसिमल पॉइंट लेफ्ट से राइट में शिफ्ट होता है और डिवाइड में राइट से लेफ्ट की तरफ. सो डेसिमल पॉइंट 2 के आगे आ जाएगा. सो वी गेट 852.5. And if we divide 5.5 by 10, we get 55. Now students, it's easy to divide. So let's divide 852.5 divided by 55. 55 ones are 55. So 5 minus 5 we get 0. 8 minus 5 we get 3. Here 30 is remainder. Now bring down the next digit, which is 2. Now 52 goes into 302. How many times? It's 5 times. और 5 times में हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? 275. Now let's subtract 12 minus 5 we get 7. 9 minus 7 we get 2. 2 minus 2 we get 0. Now student, in dividend we have decimal point. So we put decimal point in quotient also. Now let's bring down the digit, which is 5. Students, remember it, हमें decimal point को bring down नहीं करना है, सिर्फ digit को bring down करेंगे. So again 52 goes into 275. How many times? It's 5 times. 5 times में हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? 275. Now let's subtract and we get 0. Thus the cost of tomatoes per kg is rupees 15.5. So students, this is how you can divide the decimal word problems on decimals. I hope your concept is clear. Now it's practice time and your questions are here. So pause your video and please solve it, and we'll meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.